everyone, welcome back to Aunties Story Time. Today we will be reading Santa's Workshop. There's Santa Claus. Inside Santa's workshop, the sleigh is cleaned until it shines. But where are the jingly sleigh bells? Santa can't leave them behind. Let's look behind the curtain. The red-nosed reindeer has the sleigh bells. Jingle, jingle. Inside Santa's workshop, Eddie the elf has lots to do. But where's his friend Elsa Elf? She should be helping too. Let's look behind the Christmas tree. There's Elsa. She's busy making a toy train. Bang, bang, saw clink. Inside Santa's workshop, the enormous sack is packed with toys. But someone's climbed inside the sack. Can you hear that noise? It's Holly, the Christmas pup. Woof, woof. She doesn't belong in Santa's sack. Inside Santa's workshop, things must be checked before Santa can leave. But where are the little elves? They should be here. It's Christmas Eve. Let's look under the pillow. The tired elves are taking a nap. Snore, snore. Inside Santa's workshop, the sleigh is loaded and ready to go. But we can't see Santa anywhere. We found him! Ho, ho, ho! All right, everyone. See you next time.